Okay, scholars, when solving one-step equations, the object is to always get the variable on one side of the equal sign by itself. And what you want to always do is the opposite of the constant. So you want to do the opposite. What I mean by that is, in this case, the constant is positive 8. So what you want to do is subtract 8 from both sides of the equal sign to get the variable by itself. So you're going to subtract 8 here and subtract 8 here. This cancels out, leaving the variable on the right. 26 minus 8 is 18. So V equals 18. Here we have the equation 3 plus P equals 8. Again, we want to get the variable on one side of the equal sign by itself. And we see that 3 is positive, so we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. This cancels out, leaving P on the left by itself, and 8 minus 3 is 5. So P equals 5. In this equation, we have 15 plus B equals 23. Again, we want to isolate the variable, which means to get it by itself on one side of the equal sign. We see that 15 is positive, so we're going to subtract 15 from both sides. This cancels. B equals 8. Okay, scholars, this one is a little different. We still want to get n by itself. We still want to isolate that variable, get it by itself on one side of the equal sign. But we see that what's with it is negative 15. So because it's negative, to make it 0, we need to add 15. We're going to add 15 to both sides. Again, this cancels out. N equals negative 9 plus 15 is positive 6. So N is equal to positive 6.